2 साल पहले जब उन्होंने टी20 विश्व कप में पाकिस्तान पर भारत को असंभव सी लगने वाली जीत दिलाई थी, तो मेलबर्न क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पर 90,000 से ज्यादा दर्शकों की जुबां पर एक ही नाम था, कोहली कोहली। उस वक्त कोहली ने 53 गेंद में नाबाद 82 रन बनाकर पाकिस्तान से जीत छीन ली थी। मेलबर्न में प्रशंसकों को कोहली से उसी धमाकेदार पारी का इंतजार है। एमसीजी टूर कराने वाले गाइड डेविड बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी और बॉक्सिंग डे टेस्ट का जिक्र करते हुए बार बार कोहली को याद करते हैं, जबकि उनके पसंदीदा खिलाड़ी तेज गेंदबाज जसप्रीत बुमराह हैं।
Look, very exciting. It's the biggest cricket event here in Australia, I'd suggest, and at the MCG. Something magical about the MCG and Australia playing India. It doesn't get any better than that. And looking forward to it. Look, an amazing innings over in Perth by Virat Kohli, and well needed both for him and also the Indian team. It was great to see. And it has set, that innings, set up the win, set up the series for a great competition from here on in. Look, I think Bumrah is an amazing bowler. He performed so well, taking 6 wickets in 2018 and virtually won that test and won the series for India back then. Bowled magnificently in Perth and also led the team very well also. So I think Bumrah is my man. I'm looking forward to seeing him bowl and hopefully not get another 5 wickets to put his name up on the honour board in Change Room 2 here at the Melbourne Cricket Ground.
गुजरात की सलोनी पर्थ में बस गई हैं। वे सिर्फ टेस्ट मैच देखने मेलबर्न आई हैं।
Super excited, and basically I'm from Perth, so I've been to the first test. I'm very happy that Virat scored 100 that day, and yeah, so that was my first experience as well in the stadium. Excited for the future matches as well, and I think Melbourne will witness a really big day. So, yeah.
Virat is your favorite?
Yeah, he is my favorite.
What do you like about him?
I like his aggression when he's on the field. It's all about his game and his bat, yeah. So also he catches well. So I feel that catches wins matches. So we need Virat every time, yeah.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के क्रियन मैथ्यूज भी मानते हैं कि उनकी टीम को सबसे बड़ा खतरा कोहली से है।
Virat Kohli is an amazing player. He's played so well for India for so long. He'll go down as one of the greats that it's ever played, not only in India but the rest of the world.
And he has already scored a century, set the tone for the series.
That's right. Yeah, he's back in form. So look out, Australia.
And what is your prediction for the series?
3-2 to Australia.
ऐतिहासिक रूप से एमसीजी भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम के लिए भाग्यशाली रही है। इसी मैदान पर 1977-78 में भारत ने ऑस्ट्रेलियाई सरजमी पर पहली जीत दर्ज की थी।